Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Swapnex.io, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how likely it is for you to lose all of your funds if you keep trading on this platform. So if you want my honest review, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. But before that, if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video, then subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. So first off, what is Swapnex.io? So apparently they are multifunctional arbitrage trading platform. So the whole idea or the whole process behind the arbitrage trading is that they help you buy a coin at a cheaper price on a certain exchange, then sell it at a higher price on a different exchange. So take for example, you bought a crypto on Binance, or take for example, you buy USDT on Binance, then resell it on Coinbase for a different price. So the profit is going to be how much you bought the coin on Binance minus how much you sell the coin on the different exchange website. So this is the whole idea behind arbitrage trading, and this is what Swapnex.io claims they are doing. Now, before I share my own personal opinion about Swapnex.io, I believe so many people know about Now to Trade. Now to Trade is also a crypto arbitrage trading platform that helps you buy crypto at a lower price, then helps you sell it at a different price on another website. So your profit, as they claim, now I'm talking about Now to Trade, is how much you buy the crypto minus how much you sell it on the other website. So what you have to do is you have to deposit money on the platform, then they trade for you, then you can withdraw your profit as time goes by. Now, before I let you in on the little secret, I want you to stick around with me for a little while. So let's see what actually happens to Now to Trade and how the website actually ended up. So I'm going to open Now to Trade on Trustpilot, then see what people are actually saying about this platform. So this is Trustpilot. So Trustpilot is a review aggregate website. So this is a place where people can actually come and give a review of their experience on a certain platform or on a certain website. So this is the review they gave on Now to Trade. So the review here is terribly bad. So looking at what people are saying, so as you can see here, this person says I was a victim of Now to Trade. So it also says here that they stole my money. 80% of my BTC was cut off. Go die. Okay, so this one here says I have been scammed of all my hard-earned money. Now, in all sincerity, I actually promoted Now to Trade. Okay, but before I did the video, I did a little research about this platform and it was working perfectly fine as at the time I created the video. So what called out my attention was that people started giving a bad comment about this platform on the video I did. So this is the video I did back then. So as you can see, I created this video February 7, 2022. So before I did the video, I did a little research and they were working perfectly fine. But later on, they started misbehaving and they eventually ran away with some of their users' money. And for the people that actually created an account on Now to Trade through the video I did, I'm terribly sorry. I am very, very sorry for this. When I created the video, I did my own research and the platform was working perfectly fine. But for those that actually lose their money because of the video or actually register on the platform because of the video I did, I am very, very sorry. Now, what caught out my attention was the comment I was receiving. So this is one of the few comments I started receiving about Now to Trade on the video I created. So this person here says, Now to Trade has not been paying since 25th of February. Stay off this site. Please, so my people, this site is not paying anymore. Wait until they start paying. Eventually, they didn't pay, then went away with all of these people, all of the people complaining about their money. They went off with all of these people money. So what I'm trying to tell you in essence is that Now to Trade is now Swapnex.io. So if you lose your money on Now to Trade, I don't ever go near this platform because I am 100% certain that Now to Trade is now Swapnex.io. So all they simply do is they swap their domain name, then created their website back on this new domain name, which is Swapnex.io. Now I'm going to be sharing with you how I know about this. So I'm going to go to the history of my browser. So this is the history of my browser here. So as you can see now, this is the search bar. And what I entered is Swapnex.io. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see that this is Swapnex.io, cryptocurrency arbitrage trading platform, and we have nowtotrade.com here. Now, the reason I went back to my history to search for this was that I remember that I've seen this website before. So I was trying to recall where I came across this website for the first time. So what happened was that when people started complaining about Now to Trade, what happened was that I clicked on their domain name, which was Now to Trade, and it redirected me to Swapnex.io back then. So this was how I was able to figure out that Swapnex.io was formerly Now to Trade. So they are not working as Now to Trade again, they are now working as Swapnex.io. So if you don't care about your money, you can keep trading on this platform, you can keep doing crypto arbitrage on this platform. But based on my own opinion, I am certain that Now to Trade is now Swapnex.io. And if you really love your money, stay away from this platform. All right, so this is my own personal opinion. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.